Hey guys, so in this video we're gonna go ahead and swap out these old, not very good looking grills. As you can tell, these don't look very good anymore. So they were originally chrome, and then I plastic dipped them black years and years ago, and they're not very good looking anymore. So we're gonna go ahead and swap these out right now. All right, so these are the replacement grills that I got them off Amazon. As usual, the link will be in the description of the video. They were only $40. Gloss black, double slat, look so much better than the old beat up grills. All right, so we'll make this video pretty quick. Let's throw these on. All right guys, so to get these off, we're gonna pop the hood and we're gonna come under behind the grill, and then we're gonna pop all these clips with the flathead screwdriver and then push the new ones right in. Not too bad, comes right out. I'm gonna give you a little comparison here, old versus new. Of course the difference is crazy. These look really good. All right guys, so now that we have a housing separated, we need to install the new grill onto it. So make sure all the clips line up and then snap into place. It's a little finicky, so trying to align these bottom ones right here first, like so, and then keep them in place and go around. Like I said, it's not the easiest thing in the world, but right here what you want to do is you want to press real hard, boom, until it snaps. Same thing here, snaps all the way around, boom, snap right there, and then put these back in place. And then last one right here. Okay, it is in, and now we can put it on the car. Now we should just be able to push this in. Just like so. Checking the back. Good. Right, the second one goes in just like the first one. The install is the easiest, so you just push this in till it clicks, and you're done. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this quick grill install video on a BMW E70. As usual, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.